Yes, you heard it right. Building full stack applications now is as simple as few prompts. Thanks to AI tools like Lovable, Cursor, or Bolt, you are now able to create full stack applications in just few clicks. Well, in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use Lovable.dev to create your dream full stack application. First of all, you will have to navigate to Lovable.dev. I will leave you guys the link in the description, and then you will have to sign into your account, or if you don't have an account, you can always create a new one. Just click on the sign up button here, and then you can either sign up using GitHub or Google, or you can create your account using your email. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this interface here, in which you can provide Lovable with your prompt or a description of the platform you want to be creating. You can always utilize tools like ChatGPT to provide you with a detailed prompt to use inside Lovable. So for this, I gave ChatGPT the idea of my platform, which is a YouTube video management tool, and I let ChatGPT generate the full detailed prompt so I can copy it and paste it inside Lovable here. If you have any design references, you can always import images clicking on this attach button, or import your Figma design using this import button here. After you got your prompt, just hit enter and let Lovable do its magic. Before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as that will help us a lot. Thank you. You will see now that Lovable will start generating the code for your application. Just give it a bit of time. And now you can see that Lovable has finished generating the code for my platform. As you can see here, it gave me pretty much what I asked for. Now, to make this 100% perfect, you will always have to keep iterating over your prompt and let Lovable know what you want to change. You can do this by going here and giving the prompts or telling Lovable what to edit. For example, let's change the title of the application and give it a bit of time for it to edit the code. And just like that, you will see that Lovable has updated the title for my platform. Of course, the sky is the limit for this case here. You can adjust this for your own ideas and take it a step further. You can even implement other features like authentication and so on. And you can do this using Supabase. I will be creating a tutorial for the next video on how to do just that. But for now, we will leave it at this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.